Hello, Internet. Today I bring you Disney's Doorables. It's like Disney's universe version of Polly Pocket. Kind of. This is just a little blind box that's got 2 or 3 of the little tiny miniature figures of Disney characters. 78 different Disney characters to collect in this little box. Yeah. There's play sets and stuff I saw where you can like little tea house houses, and you know, I almost bought the tea house, the teacup house with Alice in Wonderland. It was like a toss up between that and the blind box, but I decided to go for the blind box. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. I just couldn't resist the temptation of the mystery box. Ooh, mystery box. Well, let's open her up, shall we? Get this plastic off so I can see the box itself better. 78 characters. Disney's got a lot of characters, so, and a lot of different properties. Box itself is alright. Yeah, cutesy box. Now let's figure out, how do we open this? Looks like it should just open along the front, maybe? No? Yes. There we go. The door. That's cool. Oh, and I got two guys. Oh, it opens this way too. That's cool. What? Little frame. So some of the boxes have 3 guys, and some of the boxes, but most of the boxes only have 2 guys. So I got a box with only 2 guys in it. It comes with 2 guys, but only 1 stand. Don't ask me why. It even says on the box, 2 figurines, 1 in 5 pack with 1 bonus figurine, 1 figurine stand, and 1 collector's guide. I'm like, shouldn't you put the same amount of figurine stands as you put figurines? But yeah, that's just me. What do I know? Okay, what do we got here? It's like, we've got the clock from Beauty and the Beast. Pretty basic in the back. It's got Disney's stamp here, so you know it's official. And then it looks like somebody dumped a bunch of glitter on top of the fox from, oh, what's that? What's it called? I know this movie. Yeah, with the rabbit cop and the fox, and they team up and they, you know, bust the corrupt sheep. It's the, oh. The name escapes me. I'll find out what it is in a second. But yeah, he's got like glitter all over him though. I like the eyes on him. They move. They're gonna follow you. Yeah. I'm gonna put him on the stand because he's cool. All right, now he's on the stand. Now let's get to the nitty gritty here. See what we could have gotten. Oh, wow. Zootopia. That's it. Zootopia. Okay. So, let's start here, I guess. We could have gotten Mickey Mouse and Friends. Okay. Cool. Tangled. I was like, what? Yeah, it's Tangled. Mickey Mouse, Tangled. Lilo and Stitch. Oh, that would have been cool. Lilo and Stitch. I like that. Moana. How come some of them have English and French and others don't? Beauty and the Beast. Zootopia. Peter Pan. Frozen. Pinocchio. Alice in Wonderland. Oh, that would have been good. Some Alice in Wonderland. The Cheshire Cat. Oh, I totally want the Cheshire Cat. Monsters, Inc. Winnie the Pooh. And limited edition. Now let's see. I got Zootopia, Nick Wilde. Alright, so there's the rarities here. They have so many different levels of rarity though. So they have common, rare, ultra rare, limited edition, and special edition. Okay. And the Nick Wilde that I got. Put him on the camera. He's there in the Zootopia collection, and he's the blue. So he's the ultra rare. Nice. Got an ultra rare. And then for the other one, she should be in Beauty and the Beast here. Yeah. Oh, she's the wardrobe. That's what she is. A wardrobe. And she's common. Not bad. I got the guy that I like and looks cool. He also happens to be the ultra rare, which is nice. A little bonus for me. But he'll look nice on my shelf. But what ones would I have liked? Stitch. Stitch would have been nice. He's an ultra rare as well. Finnick would be nice because he reminds me of the Taco Bell dog. Yeah. And Steamboat Willie looks cool, so yeah, he'd be cool to have. And then all of the Alice in Wonderland ones. I'd want any of them, I think. Especially the 2 Cheshire Cats. Okay, how does this fold up? And the box is nice. All in all, nice little product. And again, it was under $5. Or I think it was $5 exactly. So, not bad, not bad. What do you think of this Disney Doorables line? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like what you see, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.